Good, everybody. Today, I'm going to be shooting. I'm going to have my phone behind cover, and you're going to see everything. I just need to find the thing that... Where did it go? Probably front yard. So if I hit it, it'll slow down. There's baby. A lot. Actually, no, I'm not going to use cover. This one hit, this will not hit my phone. Right here. Hear a ding? I'm going to hit one of those doors. Should be that skinny one right there. I cocked the AR-15. And actually, I was not like that, but I couldn't find a speed loader for my lock. I just cocked the AK-47. Boom, boom, boom. Let's just shoot some more. Y'all see my aim? Anyways, just wanted to show you that. And then let's just get a few shots in right now. I'm not going to be looking at my phone. I'm going to be looking downrange. YouTube, this is a BB gun. Don't try not it. You know what we do? I'm going to show you all these clean hits. Peace out. Bye. Actually, not yet. I need to get a good outro. Peace out. Bye. Go to the chamber, though. Same, bro. That's good. Bye.